Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be a review, demo and first impressions of the Skinnytan Dry Mist Finishing Spray alongside with the Skinnytan Wonder Serum. If you are new around here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload a video. But let's just get on with the review and the demo, which is going to be at the very end. Okay, so these products were gifted to me. Skinnytan contacted me and basically said, would you like to try this finishing spray alongside with the Wonder Serum? Honestly, I was so excited. I've always wanted to try the Skinnytan products. I've heard nothing but great things from them, and I just was blown away that they even saw my channel and that they wanted to work with me, and so thank you Skinnytan for that. But yeah, so like I say, the fact that this finishing spray, it dries your tan and it removes that sticky feeling, I knew that I had to give this a go. Now, I'm not a massive self tanner. It's not because I don't like having a tan. I love having a lovely glow, especially when I'm literally so pale. But it's always the stickiness that I just can't stand. I really struggle with it so much. And so, like I say, when they said that this basically removes that feeling, I was like, I have to try it. Okay, so it's to use with any self-tanner. It instantly dries and removes all the stickiness that you get, and it's got a soft velvety powder finish to it. It says here, our first ever revolutionary dry mist finishing spray for use after any self-tan. It's a lightweight veil of magical powder which instantly dries and removes any stickiness to help prevent colour transfer when you are kind of getting hot. So it's ideal for use before bed or obviously on a hot, sweaty type day. And it's got a soft, velvety powder finish for a comfortable, fresh feeling. And it's delicately fragranced with their coconut and vanilla scent as well. So like I say, I was very skeptical about this product. I just couldn't see how it would take that really not very nice feeling away at all. And you can literally see on the demo when I'm spraying this on, I'm like, oh my God, like this actually does work, guys. This retails for $9.99. It's 150 mils. And honestly, this product is a game changer, holy grail product that I will be repurchasing from now on. It means I'll be able to do my tan every 10 days. Because I'm honestly, normally I go upstairs and I'm like stick man, walking around, doing my little waddle, waiting for my tan to dry. This stuff basically means I come upstairs and I just got dressed and I went about my day. Now, as a mum of 2 boys, I'm very busy. The fact that I literally did this when my baby was having a nap, and by the time he'd woken up, I was mum, I was dressed, I was ready to go, was brilliant. So good. It is incredible. Like I say, even though I've been gifted these products, I would tell you if I didn't think that it was worth the money. It's worth the money. It really is. Absolutely fantastic. And like I say, for me, I used to be with a completely different brand for self-tanning. I now am definitely a Skinnytan convert, definitely. Okay, so then as well, obviously I used the Skinnytan Wonder Serum, which is a silky, skin-loving Q10 tanning serum. It's got an iridescent bronze in there and it's long-lasting, flawless tan. When I first put this on my mitt, which they provided me with as well, I was a little bit worried, I'm not going to lie, like I was, just because I kind of thought it looked very dark, and I could see the shimmer in it, which was lovely. But yeah, the darkness of it scared me quite a lot. But what I loved about it is normally I use like a gradual tan, which isn't great. So a gradual tan, like I say, obviously you put it on, you can't really see where it's gone because it's more of a moisturizer and it just develops over time. Well, obviously this has colour to it. So I could see the parts which I'd missed. I could also see the parts that I needed to buff a little bit more, and I honestly feel that it has produced the most beautiful like natural looking colour, and I'm not feeling patchy whatsoever. The only place where I have gone wrong is my hands, and that is my fault. That is literally me not doing it right. So can you see this hand is darker than this hand? This hand is perfect, literally perfect, but this hand I knew instantly I put too much product on, and that is nothing to do with Skinny Tan. That is my application. I just need to do a little bit more research, and like I say, have a little bit more of practice. And now the fact that I've got the finishing spray, I'm going to be able to do my tan every 10 days. So I'm hoping I'm going to become a pro at it. But yeah, what I love about this as well is the fact that it has Q10 in there. So it's got anti-aging properties. Now I am a lady approaching 40 next year, and I love anti-aging products, and the fact that this has, like I say, antioxidants in there, and it's also anti-aging, I'm all for it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I will put a before and after picture in my white bikini, because let's face it, a white bikini shows how pale a person is, and it also shows how good a tan is as well. So I will pop those pictures up for you as well, so you can kind of see the transition, or go check out my Instagram. It's kateberryyt, and I have got a post on there which just shows how beautiful this tan is. But yeah, I'm absolutely blown away with it. It's fab. And also the Skinny Tan Wonder Serum retails for $29.99. Obviously this is £9.99, and at the moment on the Skinny Tan website, if you pay over £35, you get a free miracle brush, which is worth £9.99. So definitely go and take advantage of that offer on the website. So guys, I have got the pink velvet tanning mitt here, and this is reusable. You can also put it in the washing machine, which is fab. There's a streak-free professional finish. It's perfect for buffing and blending, and it's lined for stain-free hands, and it's to use with any self-tanner of your choice. Okay, so the Wonder Serum is just here. It's Skin Loving Q10 Tanning Serum. It's instant iridescent bronze, and it's a long-lasting flawless tan. And what I absolutely love about this is it's got anti-aging properties inside it. So that is definitely win-win for me. Okay, so I have moisturised everywhere I should moisturise, the dry patches. I've also done here, and I've also done my face as well. So yeah, let's give this a go. Okay, so there is the tan. Oh, there's a little bit of shimmer in there as well. I'll just go a little bit. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna start to apply. It's really good as well, because obviously you can see colour. You can actually see where you've maybe not done it that well. And then hands, I never really know how to do the hands that well. Obviously want some colour on there, but so yeah, just Okay, so guys, so I'm now going to get my husband to do my back, and I'll most probably get him to do what's underneath the bikini as well, because I like an even tan. Obviously not going to show that on camera, but yeah, so far I'm loving the Wonder Tan. It dries really, really quickly, and I'm really excited to use the finishing spray as well. Okay guys, I'm just going to do my face. I always get really scared about putting self-tan on my face, so I'm just going to use some of the residue from the mitt. I'm not putting self-tan directly on there because it scares me. And then I always just try and go just behind the ears, because those bits I always seem to miss, and then I look a bit strange. Okay, so guys, I'm now going to go in with the Dry Mist Finishing Spray. So it's used with any self-tanner. It instantly dries and removes stickiness, which is win-win for me. And it has a soft velvety powder finish. It says here, just shake well before use, mist generously all over areas directly after a self-tan application using circular motions. It dries instantly and knocks your tan in place whilst it develops. This Wonder Serum is going to take around about 6 to 8 hours to develop. So yeah, I'm so excited to give this a go. So guys, I have given this a spray and it definitely does dry it. I don't feel tacky. I feel like I can just go and put my clothes on, which is win-win for me. This is one of the reasons why I struggle putting tan on, because I just can't stand the sticky feeling. So yeah, I'm gonna go and whack my clothes on now, and then I will wash this off, and then I will show you most probably in the next 8 hours the results. So guys, I thought that I would give you the white bikini look with this beautiful tan. How gorgeous is this colour? So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys are thinking of trying these products. I highly recommend. They are fantastic, both of them. Thank you so much to Skinnytan, like I say, for providing these products. And if you have enjoyed it, please do give me a massive thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.